冬至又快要到了。
It is soon to be the Winter Solstice, which means it is soon to be the longest night of the year. In the coming months, our days will lengthen, but they will be colder.
冬至 usually falls on December 21st, 22nd, or 23rd. And this year, it's falling on December 21st, a Monday. Here in Taiwan, we celebrate 冬至 with a special food, Tangyuan, which is a sweet rice dumpling.
Today we are going to show you how to make Tangerine with black sesame filling, with a little help from my ama.
芝麻汤圆。
First, we're going to add our ground black sesame into the bowl. We should be using about 30 grams of this. For our next step, let's add the sugar. Here we also used about 30 grams, but you can adjust this amount of sugar depending on how sweet you want your tangyuan to be. In our family, we really like to add peanut butter to our filling because we think it makes it more aromatic and more enjoyable to eat. But if you don't like peanut butter or if you've got a peanut allergy, you can substitute other kinds of oils like almond butter or sunflower seed butter. The last ingredient we're going to add is lard. Lard is pig fat, and if you don't have that at home, you can also substitute butter or another oil that's solid at room temperature. This will just ensure that it won't be too watery. While that refrigerates, Ama is going to show us how to make our dumpling dough.
这是我的 wedding gift.
哦，这么可爱。
对啊，你不知道哦，阿妈你很可爱。好高高级
哦，好可爱哟！
太高了吧？
没关系。我帮你加。
We're going to start by adding 200 milliliters of water to 400 milliliters of our glutinous rice flour. Make sure the water is warm. Knead this dough until it does not stick to your hands. Feel free to add warm water if the dough seems too dry. Once the dough no longer sticks to your hands and breaks apart like this, keep kneading for 30 more seconds before covering it with a wet cloth to let rest. Now we're going to start forming our filling into little balls. Each filling ball should be about 5 grams. You can measure this or eye it. Once you've created all the filling balls, put it into the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's break our dumpling dough into 15-gram pieces. To start making our dumplings, we roll the dough into small balls and then use our thumb to press it into the shape of a bowl. Then we use this little bowl to pick up our sesame filling and close up the top. Now it's time to cook our tangyuan. Let's add the tangyuan to boiling water and make sure to stir it so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Be very gentle when you stir because they might break apart. Once the tangyuan have floated to the top of the pot, Wait another half minute before taking them out.
好香哦。
妈咪的最爱都是冰。
We like to eat our Tangerine in black sugar water to give it some extra sweetness and moisture.
OK， 好想试试看哦。
让我看一下里面。
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.